Okay, it's time to see what this big news is. Everyone is talking about. What's this? This is a new collection. Those NES games. Classic games. I want to play those. Boss Rush. Well, I don't know what is that. Time Attack. Or maybe just Time Trials or something. Maybe like a Mario Kart. Rewind. Oh, rewind thing. They're all awesome. I never played those games before. I want to play them. You know the NES Classic Edition. What game could be an NES Classic game? What are those games? Can't wait to. I want to play it right now. Behind the scenes, I want to play it. I want to play it. I want to play it. Dizzy, bringing me. You think I'm gonna be dizzy? Wait. Wait. No. Oh. Wait. Wait. For Steam, PS4, Xbox One. Wait. So there's finally gonna be Nintendo games? Well, technically not Nintendo, like DuckTales and Disney, but some from Nintendo games on a PS4. This is like very crazy, indeed. Even though they're technically not Nintendo games. Yeah. Wait a second. Yeah, I can't wait to play on my. Wait. No Switch. No 3DS. Why? Why can't I play it? I want to play it now. No Nintendo eShop now. I'm so angry. You know what? I'm gonna switch this around. I'm gonna destroy this thing. Stop. Try another one. Read spells. Make it on the 3DS. Well, that didn't work. Chop it. That never worked. Why can't it be on the Switch and 3DS? They're Nintendo games anyway. I'm sure a lot of people agree with me. I'm gonna go. This sucks. This sucks.